Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla, and in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing 4 healthy sandwich recipes that are very easy to make for a quick and healthy lunch option. I think it's safe to say that pretty much everyone loves a good sandwich. But of course, the problem is that most sandwiches are made with either refined white bread or non-organic wheat bread. Now, if you're not allergic or sensitive to gluten like I am, and you wanna use wheat bread for these recipes, then I highly recommend getting one that's organic and either sprouted or fermented if possible. So just a little interesting fact when it comes to the history of bread, people have been consuming bread for centuries, so why all of a sudden is it the enemy now? Well, there's a big difference between the bread that they ate centuries ago versus the bread that we eat today. For one, the wheat crops today are highly sprayed with toxic pesticides such as glyphosate, which has been linked to digestive issues, hormonal imbalances, and lots of other negative health symptoms. So this is why I say get organic if possible. And secondly, back in the day, they would actually soak, sprout, and ferment their grains, which helps to break down the gluten protein and the phytic acid, and this makes the grains more absorbable and easier to digest. So if you're gonna be using something like wheat bread, make sure it's organic and try to get one that's either sprouted or fermented. So personally, I believe that this is why so many people have a hard time digesting gluten-containing grains, because we don't care for them and we don't prepare them the way that our ancestors did. All right, so today I'm gonna be using the Julian's Bakery almond flour bread, and of course it's grain-free, paleo-friendly, and low-carb. Let's get started. The first sandwich I'm sharing is my delicious creamy avocado egg salad sandwich. Let's start by adding 2 boiled eggs to a bowl, and then I'm just gonna crumble them with a fork. Now I'm gonna add the mashed avocado and give that a good mix. This is what's gonna make it extra creamy. Now let's add some diced tomatoes, chopped cucumber, and some fresh lemon juice. And mix again until everything is fully combined. Of course, at this point, if you want to add a little bit of sea salt and pepper, feel free to do so. And when ready to serve, I do like to toast my bread beforehand, but that's completely optional. Then I'm going to add some fresh greens and top it off with the egg salad mixture. Now, because I'm using the almond flour bread, this sandwich is grain-free, paleo-friendly, low-carb, and even vegetarian-friendly. But seriously, y'all, how creamy and delicious does this sandwich look? And it was so easy to put together. The next sandwich I'm sharing is my healthy sprouted club sandwich. For the mayonnaise, I'm going to be using the Primal Kitchen mayonnaise, which is made with super clean ingredients, and I love the fact that they use avocado oil instead of the pro-inflammatory vegetable oils. Alright, let's spread some of the mayonnaise onto the toasted bread, and at this point we're just going to layer the ingredients, starting with some fresh lettuce, tomato slices, and I do like to sprinkle a little bit of sea salt and pepper on the tomatoes. Then I'm going to add some organic turkey bacon slices that I've already cooked, followed by organic turkey slices, and let's top it off with some fresh sprouts. Feel free to add some mayonnaise to the other slice of bread, and this sandwich is ready to go. If you love a good club sandwich but you want to keep everything clean, you've got to try this one. And next up, we have my easy salmon salad sandwich. This is one of my faves. Alright, let's start by adding 1 can of wild-caught salmon to a bowl. And you can substitute this with canned chicken if you're not a fan of salmon, by the way. Then I'm going to add some Primal Kitchen mayonnaise, and let's give that a good mix. Of course, feel free to add more or less of the mayonnaise depending on how creamy you want it to be. Next, let's add some lemon juice and mix it again. Then I'm going to add some chopped celery and chopped purple onion. Give that a good mix. Next up, let's add some sea salt and pepper and some dried dill. Go ahead and mix that one more time and it is ready to go. To assemble, let's add the salmon salad first and then top it off with some fresh greens. Now, I don't know about you, but I just love creamy salads like this, especially on a sandwich. And how good does this look? And lastly, I'm sharing my loaded veggie turkey sandwich. This one's full of flavor, healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Okay, to start things off, we're just gonna add the mashed avocado to our toasted bread. And then of course, sprinkle it with a little bit of sea salt and pepper. And now it's just as simple as layering the ingredients, starting with fresh lettuce, organic turkey slices, thinly sliced cucumber, tomato, and purple onion. And don't forget to add the rest of the mashed avocado to the other slice of your bread. And just that fast, you have yourself a delicious sandwich that's loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. This one will definitely keep you full for hours. Well, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you give one of these sandwich recipes a try, comment below, let me know what you think about it. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button below for more healthy recipes and content. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.